everyone. Today I am going to share an experience with Duffery Bank project. But why did I switch from traditional banks to Duffery Bank? Let me tell you that first. Traditional banks are as yet battling to come to the unbanked across Africa. In 2014, a faltering 66% of sub-Saharan Africans didn't monetary education, low pay levels, political flimsiness, and feeble legal frameworks have made an obliged African financial framework. What's more, banks keep on depending on conventional financial models of branch organizations, costly innovation, insufficient frameworks, and a restricted ability pool. According to the most recent reports given by the World Bank, around 2 billion individuals were unbanked across the world. With the beginning of fourth modern transformation, they feel that banking too needs an update accordingly adjacent to offering the current types of assistance in an outstanding way. They are giving roads to the coordination of fresher innovations like AI, IoT, blockchain, and digital currency. So that, in addition of the fact that they are exceptional, are good to go for the consistently changing future necessities and prerequisites. Since their point isn't just to satisfy the assumptions, however, even attempt to outperform them. So, the customary banks are thinking that it is hard to adapt to the requests of carefully engaged present-day organizations, which has restricted their development. They tackle their issue by giving excellent computerized banking administrations that are quick, secure, and smart. So let me introduce you to the Duffery Bank that is driving crypto receptions in Africa, having as of late upheld a startup crypto in trade, Duffery Exchange Pro, which has taken the business storm with Duffery Bank fired at off-ramp. At Duffery Bank Digital, they intend to tackle the most serious issue of advanced business visionaries and miniature endeavors, which is giving an improved and viable installment arrangement that helps organizations scale. Duffery Bank's interesting arrangement of joining traditional banking in Africa with arising cryptocurrency innovation can overcome any issues and assume an imperative part in the monetary consideration of individuals who are still unbanked. More instruction reception actually needs to occur. Duffery Bank is focused on doing as such by having structures in various nations to assist with accepting its extraordinary advanced financial arrangements. Their driving edge in IT has assisted them with incorporating current installment innovation into the financial framework focused on unequivocally at assisting advanced business visionaries with developing their organizations. They are eager to work on installment administrations through their state-of-art mechanical developments and groundbreaking colleagues. Do you know what they offer? They offer personal account, business account, Duffery debit card, private banking, merchant API, and DBA currency. Isn't that great? With their administrations, they furnish the clients with a trust of progressions of business and flexibility in the security structure. As each business takes a step at proficient tasks, their administration offer a procedure for doing things quicker, greater, and better to their customers in a smoother, financially savvy, and asset amplifying way. I have got an amazing experience. You should also try it once.